The next kanji, this kanji reading onyomi, zen, zen, kunyomi, mattaku, mattaku, subete, subete. Kunyomi have the two sounds or two reading, such as mattaku or subete, but onyomi just have only one sound, zen. This kanji had the meaning of whole, entire, or complete, fulfill. Whole, entire, or complete, fulfill. Anzen. Anzen is mean safety, security. Bangzen. Bangzen. Bangzen is mean perfection, flawlessness, perfection, flawlessness. Kenzen. Kenzen. Kenzen is mean health, soundness. Ken is mean the health, right? Zen which mean all or entire. So the all your health is mean healthy, right? Kenzen. Subete. Subete. Subete is mean everything or all. Mattaku. Mattaku. Mattaku is mean really, truly, really, truly. Zenshu. Zenshu. Zenshu is mean complete works.